this is our first attempt to see the falls, to get closer to the falls, but it's so foggy and it's raining, so we didn't get a good view of the falls. We cannot even see the hotels up there. That's the casino. And that's the falls. This is the Niagara Falls side, Ontario side, and the US on that side, but unfortunately we cannot really see it because of the fog. So hopefully tonight we can get a better view when the light is on, but it's still busy here. So on summertime, that's where the boat is going down there. So we are at the Table Rock, and we are on the lineup to get a ticket to go journey behind the falls. I've tried it on summertime, but I want to try it on winter time. We are in the tunnel going to behind the falls. And that's the parking over there, hotels up there. Holy moly, so we're going up there. That's the falls down there.
Now behind that shaft is another larger pipe called a penstock. There's another one behind us here. Out this door, it's a bit easier to see. Those are the 10-foot wide pipes that carry 80,000 gallons of water every minute down to the turbines. So the turbine for here is right inside that pipe here. The water would flow into there, spinning the turbine, and then draining down into the tunnel below here called the spillway. That spillway goes 600 feet that direction. That's the same length as the building upstairs. Then the water flows down the tunnel where you're going to walk out this way, 2,200 feet to the river.
We're walking in the tunnel. They said this is 10 minutes walk to the river. So let's go. After 10 minutes walk, we are now at close to the river.
If you weren't good with heights, then this would definitely not be enough. It was right behind me, between all the little windows up top as well.
The ball can come down and shoot, but it also takes some fiddling to get the thing exactly in sync. The way you'd know if you were in sync was with the super stick.
That's cool.
This photo is really interesting. Thank you.
And this is going to the souvenir area, the waterfront.